This is the elevator that goes up to Burlington, Bergen Town Center, and Paramus. Oh geez, I don't even know where I am. It's a Thyssenkrupp elevator. And I know it's a Thyssenkrupp because I literally watched videos of this. What is that? It's doing that funny thing. Okay, let's see how this thing is. Thing, shut the hell up. This is how I know it's a Thyssenkrupp, man. That's stupid. It's doing the thing. It's doing the NCC elevator thing. I'll come back and see if that alarm will ever shut up. No. Okay, I had a feeling it would stop. Okay, got a call. At least not here. Alright. This is the best I'm getting. Listen. Nice motor. Oh, level down. Go down. Look at the one button. It's like made from different material on the front. Look at the contrast.
मिष्टी को बोगा टी पहले दिला दो, कुछ एक दिला दो, उसको एक कोई चीज़ दिलानी पड़ेगी, हर चीज़ के लिए ना नहीं कर सकते.
There you go. This thing used to have a leveling issue. Here's our cab. Looks a lot like the other ones. And again, this is how we know it's a TK. Interesting installation. Alright, there it goes, and that's it. Actually, it's gonna go up so we get to watch it. That thing's loud. Alright, that's it.